Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. If you've ever tried building an online community, you already know how hard it is to keep it active. No posts, no engagement, no conversations, and people leave most immediately. But what if you could launch a community that already feels alive from day one? In this video, I'm going to show you a tool that uses an AI to automatically create content, simulate real members, and keep your community active 24/7 without you doing everything manually. Let's jump right in. Now, to start, go to cohorsha.in, but don't worry, I'll leave the link in the description below. Now, this tool lets you create a fully automated AI powered community that basically runs itself. So, once you're inside the dashboard, the first thing you'll see is your list of communities. So, from here, you can either manage an existing one or create a brand new community in just a few clicks. So, to create one, simply click Add Community, then choose a name. Next, you have Slug, and next, a short description. So you can also select your preferred language and time zone. Now, after that, hit create, and within seconds, your community is ready to go. Now, inside your community, you'll have both a front end view and a back end admin panel. So, on the front end, this is what your members will see. You can create posts, invite members, host events, and track management. Now, let's start with posting. So you can create a post by adding a title and description. If you don't want to write everything manually, the built-in AI can generate content for you instantly. You can also add polls, you can schedule posts in advance, and organize everything into categories. Now to create categories, just go into the admin panel, head to settings, and add your categories there. Now, once that's done, you'll be able to assign posts to specific topics, keeping your community clean and organized. Now, back to the front end, once your post is published, you can pin it, you can highlight it, or let members interact through comments and likes. Now, let's talk about members. So, you can invite real people by simply sharing your community link. They just need to sign up with their name, email, and password, and boom, they're in. But here's where things get interesting. You can also create virtual AI members. Amazing, right? These AI members act like a real people inside your community. You can customize their name, their avatar, their personality, and even their activity level. For example, you can set them to post automatically every day or weekly. You can set them to comment on other posts, reply to discussions, and stay active at specific times. That is crazy. This solves one of the biggest problems when starting a community, which is an empty space. So instead of a dead community, new users will see activity, conversations, and engagement right away, which builds instant social proof. You can control how active each virtual member is, making the interaction feel natural and realistic. Now, moving on, there's also an events feature, so you can create both free and paid events like webinars, trainings, or exclusive sessions. So just add the event details, set the price if needed, and your members can join directly. So there's also a leaderboard system to track engagement, plus analytics so you can see how your posts are performing and how active your members are. Now, in the admin panel, you'll find more advanced controls. So, in here, you can manage all members, you can view and moderate posts, you can handle flag content, you can send bulk messages to your entire community. There's even a feature for tracking earnings if you decide to monetize your community. And yes, you can monetize your community. And on top of that, you can integrate your social accounts, set up email notifications, and fully customize the experience to match your brand. You can customize branding like logos and themes. You have tracking. You can connect your social accounts like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Threads, etc. You can set up SMTP. You can choose email templates. You have categories, themes. So you can choose light and friendly themes. You have levels and points. You can enable community notifications, you have membership settings, and connect payment gateways for monetization. Overall, everything is designed to make community building simple, automated, and scalable. Now, instead of spending hours trying to keep your community active, the AI handles content, engagement, and interaction for you so you can focus on growing and monetizing. And that's how you can create and run an AI powered community from scratch using this tool. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.